Hello my dear students, I welcome you all to my EVS class. Today we are going to understand the chapter better by doing the exercise of the chapter Family. So let's start.
So children, before we start the exercise of this chapter, Family, let's do the recap of it. Okay? The chapter is Family. There are some types of family. A small family has parents and children living together. Okay, so this is a small family. A big family may have parents, grandparents, children, uncles, aunts and cousins living together. Who are the cousins? Cousins are children of uncle and aunts. Okay. Be in a family. What do you mean by living in a family? Family members take care of each other and family members work together. Okay, they help each other in their work. Now we come to the question. And question A is, strike out the wrong words in each sentence. So children, there are two words given here, either word or words. One is correct and the other one is wrong. So we will strike out the wrong one. Let me read the first one for you. Mother and father are our cousins' parents. So mother and father, what are they called? Cousins or parents? So children, mother and father are our parents. So cousins is the wrong answer. So we are going to strike the word cousins. Now the sentence is, mother and father are our parents. Okay. Now come to the second one. Everyone in the family shares, does not share. Now here it is more than one word. Do one thing, you can make a bracket here. Does not share. Okay, either we have to take share or does not share. Then you will not be confused. Everyone in the family shares or does not share work. So what is the correct option? Shares or does not share. So the answer to this one is, everyone in the family shares work. So we are going to cancel does not share. Okay, as we are living together, so we should help each other. And how do we help? By sharing their work. So the sentence is, everyone in the family shares work. Okay. Now the third one, members of a family help, do not help each other. Again going to make a bracket here children. So don't get confused. The two options are, one is help and the other one is do not help. Okay, so make the bracket so you will understand. Because one side is one word and the other side it is more than one word. So you will get confused. Better to make a bracket. So what can be the answer? Members of the family help or do not help each other? So children, the answer to this one is help each other. So we will cancel the wrong one or we are going to strike out, and the answer will be, members of a family help each other. Okay. Now come to question B. Write yes or no. If the statement is correct, you will write yes. If the statement is not correct, you will write no in the blank given here. The first one is, children can help others at home. Although you people are very small, can you help others at home? What will be the answer? Yes or no? So children, although you people are very small, then also you can help other members at home. Okay, for example, by watering the plants, by giving a glass of water to your grandfather, grandmother, or maybe your father or mother. So this statement is true. So we are going to write here Yes, Y-E-S, yes. Children can help others at home? Yes. Okay, come to the second one. Family members do not take care of each other. So we are living in a family, 4-5 people or maybe 10 to 11 people are living in the same family. They do not help each other. Is it true or false? So children, this statement is wrong. This statement is not true. Family members do not care of each other. No, all the family members take care of each other. Yes, we do take care of each other. So here we are going to write no, because in the statement it is written do not take care. That is wrong. Okay, each one of us take care of each other. Okay, now we come to the third one. Family members enjoy doing things together. Yes or no? So children, all the family members enjoying doing things together. We all enjoy doing things together. Okay, so we are going to write here Y-E-S, yes. Okay, sometimes we play together, sometimes we watch TV together, sometimes you people can help your mother in the dishes, doing the dishes, right? Or helping your mother in cleaning also, cleaning the house. So we all enjoy doing things together. Now let's come to page number 195. So children, now we are at page number 195 and the question is, Suvi's family is very busy. Look at the pictures and write who does what. Okay, some of the pictures are given here and they are helping each other in doing the family work. Okay, let's see what are given in the box. Repeat after me, children. Irons, waters, homework, cooking, washes. So we have to pick the correct one and write in the blank. And the first one is grandmother helps in dash. Now we will find out where the grandmother is. Here is the grandmother. Look at the picture. What is the grandmother doing? And then we have to answer grandmother helps in dash. And the options are irons, waters, homework, cooking, washes. And the answer is cooking. So the correct option is cooking. Grandmother helps in cooking. As you can see, she is cutting the vegetables. So what is she doing? She is helping in cooking. So write with me, children. C-O-O-K-I-N-G, cooking. Now come to the second one. Grandfather helps Suvi with her dash. Now where is the grandfather? Here. What are they doing? I think they are studying or maybe doing the homework, right? Because Suvi is sitting with a book. So what can be the answer? Irons, waters, homework, cooking we have already written, washes. What is the correct answer? Homework is the correct option. So we are going to write here homework, H-O-M-E, home, W-O-R-K, work, homework. Grandfather helps Suvi with her homework. So tick the word here homework as we have already used. Now we come to the third one. Father dash the clothes. Now where is the father in the picture? In the last picture, father is doing something. What is the father doing? That is the correct answer. We have to write here. Irons, waters, washes. The correct answer is irons. I-R-O-N-S, irons. Right, everyone? Then we are going to tick the options. Irons. Father irons the clothes. Can you see in the picture? Now we come to the fourth one. Suvi dash the plants. Which is the picture? Here it is. What is Suvi doing with the plants? Options are waters, washes. And the correct option is waters. Write with me, children. W-A-T-E-R-S. Suvi waters the plants. Okay, can you see in the picture? Suvi is watering the plants. So put a tick on waters. And the last one, her brother Ali. Where is her brother? Here he is. Here he is. Okay. Her brother Ali dash the dishes with their mother. So what he is doing? What is the answer? So what is the boy doing here? He is washing the dishes with her mother. So we are going, her brother Ali washes the dishes with their mother. Can you see in the picture? The boy is helping his mother in washing the dishes. Okay. Now come to the next question. Answer in 1 or 2 words. So what is the question? Next question is answer in 1 or 2 words. Who takes care of you? We will write here family members. F-A-M-I-L-Y. Family members. M-E-M-B-E-R-S. Okay. Why we have written family members? Because there is not only one person who take care of you. All the family members take care of each other, right? If mummy is there, mummy will take care. Papa will take care. Grandfather, grandmother, elder brother, elder sister, and sometimes younger brother and younger sister also take care of you. Isn't it? So all the family members take care. So we are going to write here family members. We cannot write only one person here. Understood? Okay. Come to the second one. What must we do for our family? Answer for this question will be care, C-A-R-E, care for them, T-H-E-M. Okay, care for them. Who is them here? Our family members. What must we do for our family? We should take care for them. Okay? So this was all for today, children. Thank you.